The basic idea is our client sells raw materials like raw steel and also steel sheets or any kind of metal sheets and pipes. The price of those products varies really based on the market events and based on the history and current situation on other markets. For example, what's the base cost of those raw materials in China or on other stock prices. So the client has his own algorithm how to price every individual product at the time of when their clients ask them about price of this specific product. The process is really laborious and it's not straightforward. It takes into account very many different variables. So the problem was, how can we price the products better based on varying markets in time? So yeah, our solution takes into account like history of fluctuations in market, what was the price changes across the history, what our history with any given client, and based on that we can predict fairly accurately the price of any given product in any given point in time. The basic idea is to really understand the problem of a client, because the first part of AI Sprint is really workshop with the client, a two-part event that we try to understand a lot of problems that you are facing, and we are trying to deliver a solution that will tangibly increase and improve your business really. So in order to do that, we really need to take a good look at your problem, understand it, and then apply a solution for your specific problem really. We're quite flexible. We can do it here, or we can come to your company and make workshops there. The first part is about understanding your whole process that you have problem with. So explaining the problem to us in order for us to understand what's the biggest challenge. Then the second part is about the nitty-gritty data and what can we achieve with data at this point. And the last part really is to try to tackle one problem, really pinpoint the specific solution and try to apply a acceptance criteria for that model to work. Because if you're not measuring it, how can you know that you are making any progress? So in order to implement and to show not only for the client, but for example for the stakeholders that the whole process had any improvement, we need to have a problem to solve and a way of measuring that we are achieving our solution. Good planning to tackle the problem is really the attitude to have, because AI can solve your problems, but in order to do that, you need some kind of framework to guide you with the implementation, really. Here at Neoteric, we mainly try to guide businesses with their problems. For example, we've reduced churn by 20%. We made a pricing prediction for a client, like dynamic pricing. And recommender systems, which I specialize in.
If you're looking into building a new project, we have a great team of consultants that can help you kick off with us. And there's a really a low-hanging fruit in the workshops that we are having for our customers, where you can first in a Neoteric design sprint, you can validate the concept of your business with Neoteric discovery workshop. You can really plan the architecture and the technical stack for your product, understand your team composition and build the roadmap. And then with a scoping workshop, you can just plan the sprints and execute on the development. The best thing is to go through our website, just use the estimate project option there, and that would trigger our business development team to assign a person who will help you and navigate you through the process.